is Jana here. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and welcome back if you are already with us. So today I'm going to make another casserole dish with vegetables, but this time I'm going to use meatballs. Meatless meatballs, you know. I have made plenty of meatless meatballs. I'm going to leave them all on a card over there. So if you want to know which one I'm using the same as I used to make the Swedish meatballs, so they are banana peel ones. And as I have mentioned before, all my recipes for those holidays are going to be extremely delicious and as well as affordable. So you don't need to worry about breaking the bank. This is not going to happen. However, the taste and the presentation is going to be, like I said, superb, so stick with me. And for this one, I have used cabbage again. And boiled potatoes, carrots, the meatless meatballs, my homemade cream cheese, a few herbs, and let's get started. On a pot, you add some olive oil or any kind of oil of your preference, or a little bit of water. Then you add the cooked cabbage. Oh, but it's already cooked. Yes. But we are going to activate all the flavors all together. Then you add the spices, which are garlic powder, onion powder, black and white pepper, and salt. Add the carrots. Oops. The carrots are also cooked. The potatoes. And what are we doing here? We are allowing the flavors to marry. We are allowing the flavors to incorporate. We are going to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, but before that, I want the vegetables to communicate and spread the flavors through each other. I don't even know if there is such expression, I just invented one. Just to remind you, when I have blanched the cabbage, I have added salt. When I have cooked the carrots, I have added salt. So every time you cook vegetables, or when you cook your food on different stages, you must remember to season all the stages of your food. Alright, so now you add some fresh thyme if you can get your hands on, because it's for this dish it's so much better than the dry one, but if you can't find it, don't go crazy, just use the dry one. Some sage, to which I'm going to tear it very finely, or you can chop it as well. There's something very comforting about the smell of sage and thyme together. I love it. All right, now we are going to add any kind of cream of your preference. If you're a vegetarian, like a regular cream, or if you're a vegan, like coconut cream, cashew cream, whatever kind of cream you have, because that's going to be our sauce. That and the vegan cream cheese that we made. Remember we made that? Click on the card there. I'm going to leave the recipe for you. Or if you can't make it, don't freak out, like I said. Just use store-bought one. Just be careful, because if you are going to use coconut cream, make sure that it's not sweet, because coconut, when you add coconut milk to your food, it brings up all the sweet notes in the food. So careful with that. Now we are just going to transfer this. In this case, I'm going to use my cast iron pan because I love it. You guys know that. And then you just accommodate like that. If you think it's too dry, you can add a little bit more of the cream. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And we are going to add the meatballs on top. All right, and here we have our vegan Parmesan cheese, or mock Parmesan cheese. I have here panko breads, salt, white pepper, and nutritional yeast. And then add some either melted butter, to which is perfect, or some olive oil, because we are trying to imitate the flavor of Parmesan. And like I said in the previous video, Parmesan cheese is all about the sweetness, the savory notes, and then a little bit of sweet, and a lot of tanginess, and a lot of pungency. And those flavors here that I have come with, they are almost perfect. I would say perfect, come on. Right, and then you just spread it on top. This is going to turn your food super, what is the word? Golden brown and delicious. And now this is going in my oven for about 20 minutes in the middle rack with some aluminum foil on top so we don't burn and toast all this delicate fake Parmesan cheese here. So it's going to come, again, it's going to the oven for 20 minutes. When the 20 minutes are done, you're going to remove the aluminum foil and put it under the broiler for 5 minutes or until the breadcrumbs are golden brown. Let's go. And here we have our casserole ready, our vegetables and meatballs casserole ready, and it couldn't taste more delicious. I kid you not, this is so nice. And this is also a suggestion for your Christmas dinner or lunch because this is a nice way of putting simple things together, and voila! You can pull this out in no time. So, what do you think about that? And of course, I'm gonna taste it. This is delicious. Those are the kind of vegetables and the meatballs that you can never go wrong with. I mean, come on, who doesn't like carrots and white sauce? This time wasn't a bechamel, see? Because I was afraid to become the bechamel lady, so today I stepped away from it, but I have added the cream, which is like similar. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you make it, and if you make it, please tag me on my Instagram or Facebook. I love when you guys do that. And let me know what is your favorite food for the holidays. I would love to know that. And follow me on my social media and check on my Patreon if you'd like to support this channel. And I see you next time. Until then, bye!